So I think since 2 years it really continues to go forward in a way that everybody all over the globe want to listen, want to hear something about industrialization and digitalization, Industry 4.0, you name it. A lot of programs are spread around the world, and all the companies, all the factories are somehow affected. So every shop floor manager should have an answer what Industry 4.0 means for him.
Big companies like huge Siemens, how can that kind of company, let's say, cope with the situation? How can you change?
Yeah, that's a very important question, because certainly we have a network of big global acting companies who maybe are doing a little bit more easier in implementing IT technology because they have learned it with the transactional systems, with the ERP systems. But Industry 4.0 and digitalization only can take place once also the medium-sized and small-sized factories or companies which are supplying the global conglomerates are able to install this kind of IT in the PLM arena into their processes.
Where are the growing markets of European manufacturing industry and growing markets for Siemens?
Yeah, this is a question alone needs half an hour to be answered. So typically the approach to Industry 4.0 is for the matured markets, because this is the next level of productivity what they have to achieve if they want to mature further. This does not mean that it's only just for Germany or some European countries or just America. It is also true for China, because in China, in some regions, we have already established matured markets where the wages are comparable to other places in the world and where the necessity to improve productivity is as big as, for example, in Germany. So it's spread around the world, and it is addressing, as of today, more the matured industries, but it will continue to address also the emerging countries to leapfrog maybe one technology to become even faster in regard of productivity.
You already mentioned, for example, China. How are those, let's say, low salary countries doing with this digitalization and Industry 4.0?
Yeah, certainly for most, actually, it's not that kind of a hype issue which they considered as important for them. The most are satisfied with kind of getting the gap closed to being a relevant and accepted partner in regard of product supply with high quality, and they do it with people, more people into the processes, because people resources are cheap. But as always, this is just the beginning, and sooner or later it will become important for them. And for us, to be honest, it is good that not everybody is right now jumping on that train, because there's a lot to do, to be done in the future to close the gaps in regard of portfolio of software and hardware, to really have this seamless interoperability from product design, product automation, factory design, factory planning, and factory lifecycle management.